Sure. Can you hear me rubbing it?
Fucking imagine. Okay, what do you want to do, gang?
I'm gonna record.
Play some...
I'm already recording. I'm gonna cut this part of the video probably. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1,
I'm playing a
2,
game.
3. Okay, guys. So last video's doing pretty well. First video, it's already been doing pretty well. I'm playing. Oh, hey, that's Source SDK base. Go back. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it again? Half-Life 2 old engine. I want to see if you guys will like this. I can't skip this part, sadly.
You can stop screen sharing. I'm not gonna watch.
What?
You can stop screen sharing. I'm not gonna watch.
Nah, I'm gonna keep it on because I know you're gonna start watching eventually. You always do. It just happens. You just end up watching it. You start watching it, and then you're like, and then you just don't. You just don't stop. Hey man. Hey man. Why can't I run in a window? I want to change my resolution higher. Normal. Widescreen 16:9. There we go. Yeah, there. Okay. Full screen. Apply. Okay. Yep, there we go. Okay, I fixed it. CL show pose 0 1. It's still right there. Okay. Why? I always have to do this. It's kind of annoying. Okay. Do I want to do a new game? Yes, I would do.
What? Oh wait, hold on. If you go to friends and then click on the friend you want to invite, like they have
there's a thing is host frame rate. I think you could turn it way up.
Like,
I'm not going to though.
Nice.
I'm just gonna probably cut this part of the video. Hey, that's different. It didn't zoom out of his eye like it usually does.
Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job.
Very loud.
No one is
What?
more deserving of a
Stop
rest.
screen sharing. It is way too loud.
Buddy, I can barely hear you. I know what you're saying. Stop screen sharing. It's way too loud. But is it?
And all the effort in the world.
Oh, I just passed that, bro.
World would.
Oh, it's time scale.
No, bro. I'm proving a point
Hey.
that I'm better than you at parkour.
Have gone to
On the road. Do it again.
Yeah.
waste until
I'm
well,
Battle Drive.
What?
Said I'm Battle Drive.
Okay. Drive into a building?
Please.
No.
Oh, that's no fun.
Why did it send me back to the lobby? What is TS? Oh, there it goes. Even though I'm the one who got the W. Alright, let's go, let's go. Okay.
Ah,
What
D1.
What is this SpongeBob?
Train station
What is this, bro?
01?
Ah, shit!
There we go. I figured it out.
Square pin! God damn it. Bro, why'd that send me backwards? What? Wait, am I going the right way? Yes, I am. No, I'm not, bro. I hope you do the same.
Oh, there's no doors here. I'm trying to ankle break here.
Oh, shit.
Concerned citizen. Thank you for writing, concerned. Of course, your question touches on one of the basic biological
Hey, guess what?
and all its associated hopes.
GG's. GG's, bro. Why are you trying to...
So we're gonna hop on this. So there's a weird thing. So, bunny hopping in Half-Life 2 Old Engine, you can genuinely hold... I'm holding spacebar. I'm not like you can hear me.
Yeah, bro.
But then I'm just holding it. So, doing this is also way easier because you can just like...
What is TS, bro?
Oh yeah, you can't take damage. There's a certain thing you can do.
Oh, okay, I see. Wow.
I forgot what it was. You can skip past a guy when you're going up the stairs in this next map
Okay, so first of all, shut up.
if you go fast enough.
Because I'm farther than you again.
And it makes it so that you can't take damage throughout like the whole game, I think. I don't remember.
Wait. Okay, that wasn't...
Hey, you can't catch me because I'm going faster than the speed of speed of sound.
Winning.
So,
Yes, I keep doing that on purpose. Don't worry. Yeah, bro.
damn it. I didn't
One
do
more
it.
time? Okay.
I think I've done it before, but let me in. Let me in!
Ooh. TV girl, TV girl.
Hate you, Dr. Brain.
He's one of us. Can't take it anymore.
Oh, you just gotta like push through it, I guess? Wait.
Girl, did you No!
Wait, there's a potential thing.
Going to end.
No. Yeah, I fell.
Never mind, no there isn't. It's not potential. It's
Okay, so far so good. So
you'll be okay, don't worry. I destroyed your TV so Dr. Breen can't hurt you.
it's okay though. Okay, bubble elevator.
Did I just damage boost? Wait, hold on.
No.
Thanks.
No.
I'm trying to hit flat. Oh wait, I don't have it yet. Combine! Oh wait, no, that's not Combine. That's Metro Police.
Oh, do you want me to wait for you to make it fair? Oh no, you're good. Oh. I'll wait for you to make it
I'd
fair. Don't
rather
worry.
shit and sink than sink in this shit.
Okay, you got the checkpoint.
Go, go, go. Go, go. Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go! Power Ranger! I was gonna pick that up, dummy. W holding back hop.
What is...
That doesn't make sense. Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power... Ow! Frick, he's shooting. It's a school shooting. No, it's not. Shut up. I'm gonna cut that out. Wait. Usually it takes they have to hit me twice. I think they both hit me at the same time. Smelling Sharpie to give me confidence.
Ow.
Hey, why are you looking at me? Why are your hand clipping through my face?
One more time. Are we gonna...
Am I zoomed out?
What? I can't see anything. Wait. Gang, I'm in... No, I'm in the fucking void.
Oh.
Oh, what? The server closed.
Nah, it's gonna break.
Oh, Minecraft just crashed.
Okay. I'll play.
Bro, I kept beating you.
Just doing some stuff.
We better hurry. The Combine.
Oh god, I forgot the animations are choppy in the old... I think that's a setting.
Yeah, I'm trying, bro.
Yo, Rusty,
What?
are you watching my stream or no?
No.
Mm.
I'm getting attacked by somebody, so I can't play at the moment.
Fun.
Not fun, he's a zombie.
Alright, gang, I'm back in Cube.
It sounds painful, but fun to play against him. Oh yeah, so apparently
You said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him.
you can, like, barely, just barely, hold on. I should have saved, damn it.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, there, save there.
No.
Shush. Savannah. Hey, no. Do this. Load. Oh, God.
Did you already fall?
That is not a good save.
Okay, 'cause I hit the first
Bro, move. I cannot control this character.
I'm dead.
Damage boost me through this window real quick. You motherfucker, why didn't you damage boost me?
I died.
No,
Jay.
I'm literally.
Cool. You died?
I thought you were gonna say
I died.
testicle first.
How dare you?
It's not my fault.
It always is your fault.
This
Bro,
dude
I
won't
can
get
hear
away from my
them.
car.
Congrats, Pookie. Congrats.
Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Hey! 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 To the window! To the windows! To the walls! To the walls! To the sweat drop down my
What
butt.
is this? Are these smoke particles?
Dr. Freeman.
Alex, get your hand literally out of my face!
Better hurry.
Okay, wait, where?
Combine
Alex!
can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way.
Yes, it's there. Aw, damn it, they broke it.
Dr.
Oh, I
Carter
did
said
not
you'd
hit
become
the way I did. What? Okay,
I
whatever.
don't think it occurred to him.
Bro, I don't like this.
You thought.
This way.
Hey, you
I forgot to save.
last time.
Frickle? Can I just like rewind time real quick?
Shit.
Oh god! That's not a good save. I need to save. I mean, not good. Hey, stop existing. It's making me mad. Hey, stop existing. It's making me annoyed.
Oh, hey, wrap around. Over here.
No, you
Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Hey, hey, to the windows, to the walls, to the walls, to the sweat drop down my butt.
No more, no.
Dr. Freeman, I presume.
Okay.
I better hurry.
I mean, I enjoy
The Combine can be
the,
slow to
like,
wake,
friendly
but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way.
I mean, sure, if you wanna.
Dr. Clark?
Ooh, 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 ooh. There's something I want to try. Water hazard. So we're gonna just like not forgo this time because I don't know.
Yes, Jay, I got him to leave me alone.
What?
I got him to leave me alone.
Sick. G-Man, G-Man, wait. Ah, there he is. I saw him. He was there. Don't worry. I saw him. Oh, damn. I thought I could go above it. That would have been cool. Move, bitch! Oh, yeah, this thing.
Hey down there! Supplies!
So there's this thing called J-Clip. So I'm gonna get out.
Bro,
There's a weird thing you can do. So, you see, if I crouch,
That's not gonna.
wait, so you see, if I do this, it doesn't go through me.
No, you
But,
don't.
if I crouch, save load, well,
You know
it
that-
should,
When your best friend-
yeah, it goes right through me.
No. What?
There's a weird thing you can do with it, I believe.
What? Oh, what in the? Why am I speaking, bro? What is this? Yes. Oh, ha! You also.
Wall climb. Wait, no, I want to wall climb. You know what? Forget the freaking airboat. I'm just gonna wall climb.
Oh,
Wait.
what the hell?
What the hell, Yonte? What the hell, y'all? Bro, I had to use a tutorial when I first ever played Half-Life 2. I had to use a tutorial for this point because I didn't know about the flashlight and I could not see shit. Please stop.
No, I hate you.
Huh?
You got this.
Not you. There's this dude. He keeps chasing me, and it's starting to get real annoying. Get stuck. No, I want you to get stuck.
Okay, now I can grab the pallet and pallet hop, which is much more fun and easy. Oh crap, it's kind of hard to control sometimes. No!
You can change. You
Crap.
can change player visibility.
I quit!
You know this, right? It's the magnifying. Yes, you can. You know that. That'll probably make it easier for you if you set it to nobody.
Highway 17.
Bro! Fine, I'll be hottening you through that. You jerk.
Hello, Dr. Freeman. Car's all ready for you.
There you go, damage boost.
Your Honor, my skin did not change. I don't know why. I'm just being an asshole.
Automatic medical system.
Damn it, hit the wrong thing. Hold on. Watch this. I could damage boost off this. Hold on, let me heal myself real quick.
Detected.
What?
There you
Oh,
go.
that's probably also what's distracting you. You got
Car's
this!
ready for you now, Dr. Freeman.
You got
Nah, I'm not even there anymore, bro. I'm beyond your level of comprehension.
this. You got this, bro. Good job. See?
Call me Dr. Kleiner the way I be abusing this movement. Excuse me? I think I can make a ramp out of this. No, do not fall. I think I can make a ramp out of this. It just falls. Alright. Call me Dr. Kleiner the way I be
Good job.
abusing this knowledge. That sucked. How did I die? Turns out I wasn't going fast enough. If you're going fast enough and you hit a sort of slope, if you're going really, really fast, then if you hit something that's barely a slope, you won't take damage.
Meanwhile, I'm able to do it in like 12 seconds.
12 seconds? That's how fast speedrunners be beating Portal in the near future.
I'm watching here, bro.
Freaking.
Doing awesome things, twin.
Come at me, I dare you.
Okay.
I hear him up there.
Bro failed too much.
Your bed timer is done.
Off.
Yeah.
Got him. Never mind. Is she dead yet? I don't know. Well, I hear a head crab that isn't dead, so. You know what? Screw it. We're switching to the Overwatch pistol thing. Rifle. No way I called it a pistol, my guy. This thing is not a pistol. It's nowhere close to a pistol. Sure, it may be a firearm, but this is an Overwatch rifle. It's an Overwatch standard issue pulse rifle. That's what it's called.
Oh, that's right. I forgot we were playing on the hive after that.
Get out of my way. 小孙悟孙悟，现在我有冰淇淋，我有冰淇淋。小孙悟孙悟，现在我有冰淇淋，我有冰淇淋。
Guys, I
Gordon
have
Freeman.
a cast with it. That's all I'm saying. But
This steerable rocket launcher is our best bet for taking down a gunship. Ah, hello. I'll be right with you now. Where was I? Using the laser gun, you can steer your rocket past the gunship's defenses.
Give me
shooting
it!
down your rocket.
Give me!
This will only anger it at first, but if you can survive long enough to make several direct hits, you'll be rewarded with
does
a
it cost
prize
you
worthy of
go the
any
number
money.
2 hero?
Now, who's going to be the lucky one to carry it into combat?
Oh damn!
Yes, Gordon Freeman. Couldn't have asked for a finer volunteer.
Which one's number 1?
Colonel Odessa Cubbage at your service.
Ah, of course. Oh, of course, cuts.
How dare you shoot down my rocket? Stop doing that! I'm going to freaking murder you.
Oh, I know what to play. Oh, I know what to play. You ate your Wi-Fi?
I don't care. Okay,
Your Wi-Fi.
bet. Pick it up.
Let's go. Black? What's black? Okay, I found black. I found black. It is purple, purple. Where's purple? Where's purple? Where's purple? Okay, no, no, bye.
Major fracture detected.
You got this. I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Pookie. I promise. Hold on. Okay, there we go. You got this, gang. Real.
Just blew myself up.
No!
Anyways, I'm starting to get a little bored, so that's all for this time video. I don't know. Whatever!